Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. A brand new day, a brand new keto low carb bread loaf. It uses a completely new one special ingredient. So you're going to be making this bread loaf which seems like it's got eggs, but it really doesn't have eggs. Are you intrigued? Well, carry on and see the recipe. And let me show you the bread loaf I just made. It is amazing. The texture, the rise, whoop, that much. Yep. So let me show you what it looks like. Here it is. Let me pull out one of the slices and show it to you really close. Yeah, really big. Really big and interesting. I'm going to toast one of these slices and see how it turns out. I think it's going to be perfect. So we're standing in my kitchen as always. So let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with 2 cups of almond flour, and next we have egg white powder. This is the new special ingredient. It has no carbs in it, no sugar in it, and it seems like you're using eggs, but it becomes a substitute for flour. So it adds bulk to your recipe and it's great. So 1 cup of egg white protein powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of xantham gum, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and now we're going to add hot water. First I've put in 1 cup, and then the second cup you put a little bit at a time till you reach this particular consistency. It'll be frothy and light. And now we are ready with our bread pan. I'm putting parchment paper and in goes the mixture. You will see that it'll be light and frothy, and it's an amazing way to add bulk to your recipe with the egg white powder. And what I'm going to do now is, of course, it's ready for the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes. I've just added a bit of sesame seeds on top, and here we have it. Can you see the rise? It is absolutely outstanding. And a lot of people don't like using whey protein isolate, but you are completely safe with this amazing egg white powder. So thanks for watching. Bye then.